Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am on a 11 o'clock mission from my boy Cooper from Alaska Expeditions. Gave me a holler, said he needed a hand. If I could go grab some parts and get them out to him by the morning. They're out in Eureka area. I said, yeah, I got you, dude. So we're heading to go grab those parts. Then we'll have an early morning tomorrow. But man, the clouds and the mountains are looking pretty sweet. Part obtained. Now we will get up early in the morning and get this out to Cooper. Alrighty, well, it is a beautiful morning. It is about 4:40 in the morning. We're all fueled up and heading out. Got about Google says it's an hour and a half, but most Alaskans know it's about an hour and 10. So we are heading out to deliver some parts and help with a repair and get this show back on the road. But man, it is a beautiful morning. You can't beat these mountains here in Palmer. Farmland with a beautiful sunrise with mountains in the background. I mean, is there a more epic backdrop? So we're gonna rip out here. Maybe we'll get some good, beautiful scenic footage on the way back, but we're gonna hightail it there first. So we'll see how much you actually see before we get there. I know I said I wasn't gonna share it a lot, but check out this epic view. Well, we're cruising along pretty good. We just passed Gunsight. If you're ever in this area, stop in at Gunsight, say hi to Hap. Cool guy, really cool place there. But we're about, I don't know, 10 minutes away from meeting up with Cooper, and we'll get his parts swapped out and get the whole gang back on their way. So see Cooper in just a minute here. Well, we're here, and look at the beautiful face greeting us in the parking lot. It's Cooper. Happy to come help him out. He's our guy. So, looks like they've already got a little bit of fun in.
Oh yeah. There's still quite a bit of snow going up the main trail.
Yeah.
And Colt was actually the first person to Four Corners this year.
Nice. I actually want to document this for a very specific reason. It's never Cooper working on his stuff, ever. It's always Cooper working on something else that belongs to somebody else. So I have to document this just because this is a rare situation. All right, so we came, we saw, we delivered, and we don't think it fixed it. We think it's something else, but I think it's good enough to go. Cooper's confident it's good to go, and Colt's just gonna abandon Cooper if it breaks. So
I mean, all I can tell people that drive Toyotas is we won the war. So
this is kind of proof, you know. I'm just saying, an AC compressor going out.
2-time World War champs. Bye.
Now, I do want to say thank you, Happy Hendrix. I appreciate you coming and bringing parts. I know it's a little bit of a drive, but at least I got to hang out with you for a little bit. We'll go have breakfast and
I figured I owed you this one because the last recovery I took you on was -56. We're in the positives. This is an easy one to come help on. We're not going to die on this one in the middle of the night.
You're a good 10 hours closer and a good like 60 degrees, 100 degrees warmer, literally. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
All right, so I'm going to get that good footage on the way back because we hauled butt. But yeah, Colt's here, Goop's here. They're doing some cool stuff. Make sure you go watch their videos. It's going to be an awesome trip while they're here. All right, cool.
See ya.
All right, well, we are back on the road. Cooper, Colt, and Shanna are continuing their adventures. So we'll catch up with them here in about a week. We'll hook up with them again and go do some wheeling out at the infamous Canuck Glacier. So that'll be fun. So we're gonna start a little cruise back here, and I'm gonna try and get some good footage for you guys. So let's see what we can do here.